Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can create a rectangular object and a circle object in our Data Studio or Looker dashboard. So let's go and see what we are talking about. So this is a simple Looker page in which I have created this rectangular and circle object. It might seem very simple and useless at this point of time, but trust me, when you will have a lot of valuation widget in your dashboard and you want to highlight a particular metrics like quantity of sales or growth percentage, then this rectangular or circular object is very useful, as when the user will open your dashboard, all of his attention will be drawn to the highlighted or the colored rectangular or the circular object. This will help the user to understand that the specific metrics in rectangular or circular object is quite an important metrics, and it's very crucial metric for your business. So let's go and see how we can use this rectangular or circular object in the Looker or Data Studio dashboard. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this edit button so that I can edit this dashboard or the page which I have, and I will delete this rectangular and circular object which I have created earlier, as well as these scorecard. Now I have a graph over here, right? And now what I just want to show you is that I want to show the total number of stocks that has been transferred and the total number of item which has been sold. So these two metrics are quite important, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply add a scorecard over here, right, which will show me my total number of stock that has been transferred in thousands. Then I will add another scorecard which will show me the total number of item sold in thousand, right? Now if I go to view, then you will see a simple graph and the scorecard number here. You won't be able to judge the importance of these two KPIs, right? In order to highlight these two KPIs, I will add the rectangular and the circle object. So if I go to my navigation bar over here, you will see this last option which gives us rectangle and circle option. So if I select rectangle and come to this section where I have this scorecard which shows number of stock transferred in thousand, and I click it over here, then you will see that a rectangular box has appeared. Once a rectangular box has appeared, then your scorecard which you have added earlier is invisible and you are not able to see the metrics over there. In order to see those metrics over there, what you need to do is that you need to simply click on this and then right click on this rectangular box. You will see this order. You need to select send back. Once you click on send back, you will see that you are now able to see the number of stock transferred in a stock metrics over here, but still it doesn't look pretty, right? So I will go to the style section of this rectangular box and then I'll change the background color and the border radius. Then let's select the opacity at 80%, right? Border color let's put at red, then border width put at 5, and this will be double, and add a border shadow. Now if I go back and click on view, you will see that this looks visually appealing in sense that it's a simple page, and whenever you open this page, the first thing that you will notice is this rectangular box where you can see that you have a matrix which says number of stock transferred in thousand is this much. Even before your eyes went to this graph, the first thing that you will notice is this one. So let's go back to edit our dashboard and put this KPI into a circular object. So to add a circular object, you have again go to your navigation panel, click on this rectangular box and select circle. Once you select circle and click anywhere on your blank page, you will get a circle object. Similarly, the circle object, if you increase the size of this circle object and put it in front of your KPI, then you won't be able to see your KPI. The process that we have used over here will use again. We will click or select this circle, then right click on it and go to order and select the send to back option. Then again we have to select or change the background color so that your user can understand this is one of the important metrics, right? So now I have this circle over here. I'm just going to add the opacity at 80%, then the border color as, let's say, blue, and border at 5 with double. Now if I go to view and see this page, the first thing that will catch my attention is this rectangular box and this circle. So this is how you can create a rectangular shape or circle to highlight a particular metrics or KPI in your dashboard. Happy learning and see you in the next video.